Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick review on Lovable. Lovable says build something lovable. Ideal to app in seconds with your personal full stack engineer. Just act Lovable and to create what you wanted to create. For social media feed, WeChat dashboard, PDF viewer, expense tracker. You can make it public, you can add an attachment. So let's see what's about. Quick review. Lovable is an AI-powered app builder designed to help both technical and non-technical users quickly create web applications through natural language prompts. Now, the pros are ease of use, which is highly praised for its simple interface and ability to translate plain English description into functional apps, making it accessible for those without coding experience. It also has rapid prototyping. It excels at generating initial drafts and prototypes quickly, significantly reducing developmental time for straightforward projects. When it comes to features, it has a lot of helpful features, including real-time previews, a visual editor for making direct UI adjustments, and integration with services like Superbase and GitHub. When it comes to code ownership, users generally own the code generated, allowing for further customization and development outside the platform. And let's look at the cons. Limitation with complexity. You see, reviewers have noted that Lovable can struggle with more complex or custom requirements, sometimes getting stuck or producing less than production-ready code. When it comes to handling of error, while it has debugging tools, some users have experienced frustration loops when the AI fails to resolve persistent errors. Then, when it comes to the plan, the free tier has limitations such as a daily query limit, which can impact development workflow. Overall, Lovable appears to be a powerful tool for quickly bringing app ideas to life, particularly for simpler applications and rapid prototyping. However, users tackling highly complex projects may encounter limitations and potential frustrations with error resolution. So that's it today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.